Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have a new box to my channel and it is called Kicksnation. I'm super excited. Let's get into it. So Kicksnation reached out to me to see if I wanted to try their box. So they actually gifted this box to me for free, so thank you so much. But however, my opinions are going to be my own, which I'm sure I'm going to love everything. So I'm excited. Kicksnation, it's a subscription sneaker box. So it's like exclusively kind of like sneakers, running shoes, like lifestyle shoes, like slip-on, like Vans kind of things. So it's not like you get heels or like loafers, stuff like that. So it's like a sneaker box, and I'm excited because I don't have any, and since we moved, I still can't find all my shoes. So here we go. We have our trusty rusty screwdriver, and we're gonna open her up. And it's really cool because you can't peek at what they send you on their app or anything either. So as you can imagine, it's been kind of hard for me. And then you do have to be careful when you open up the box because you will send the shoes back in this box if you don't want to keep everything. There's a $15 styling fee. That kind of covers your shipping both ways. It doesn't apply to what you keep in the box. But that's all right. And you fill out your quiz. There's going to be more in the description below, but you fill out a quiz, you know, with your preferences. They take the time and style it and curate it for you, and then they send you 3 pairs. And you get to just decide what you want to keep and send back what you don't. Here we go. Oh, there's a handwritten note. There's the 3 pairs of shoes in the little shoe bags. And little handwritten note. So let's read that. It is a long note. It's very detailed. It's a long note. Okay. Hi Rachel, we are so excited for you to see what we put together for you in your first Kicksnation sneaker box. Based on your quiz preferences, we picked 3 pairs that we hope you'll love. I did pick the lifestyle option for each pair because I don't really do a lot of running or like working out in a gym or anything, but they have shoes like that too, which is awesome. And you can pick like different color preferences, like if you want multicolor, a bold color, a muted color, those were kind of the options. So I picked a muted color, bold color, and a multicolor. Let's see. We had so much fun picking the Vans slip-ons in leopard for you. This easy-to-wear shoe is the ultimate classic slip-on updated with a fun new color. Yay! With padding exactly where you'll want it when you're on your feet, these shoes are there for you all day, every day, every day. Plus, we know you're a fan of cheetah print. Your second sneaker preference was a muted color lifestyle shoe in a slip-on style. Great choice, by the way. Thank you. I figure I would go with anything. For this pick, we decided on the APL Tech Loom Phantom in beach/fusion pink. Pretty. This shoe is a true balance of style and function. The iconic patented upper features an intricate grid pattern designed to move with your feet and provide a sock-like fit with a neoprene tongue with integrated collar, offers all-day comfort and a sleek silhouette. I'm not kidding, it's detailed. You can slip these right on and wear them all day. Finally, you have asked for a high-top shoe in a bold color. For this, we went with the Cariuma. I'll put the names of the shoes below too. OCA High in Pantone/Classic Blue. This shoe is crafted from high-end raw materials and features lightweight cushion technology. The cap toe design is perfect for a comfy go-to look. We know you don't have a ton of sneakers in your rotation, but we hope these styles just might become some of your new faves. As always, make sure you try on each pair to get a sense of style and fit. Something you shut down at first glance might just become your all-time favorite. Very true. If you've learned anything from all my, Stitch Fix, boxes, Fashion, Wantable, you gotta try stuff on. If you have old shoes If you have old shoes you no longer use, take advantage of our partnership with Soles for Souls and reuse your sneaker box to donate them. Not only will your shoes stay out of a landfill, they'll be put to work to help someone in need. To donate, simply place up to 3 pairs of used shoes in your Kicksnation box, seal it up, and drop it off at any local FedEx center using the included return shipping label. We'll take care of the rest. Awesome! Oh, and if you guys want to try this out yourself, it says, just as a reminder, your personalized referral code to waive your community styling fee is Rachel794. So I'll leave that link below too, or the code. You can also find the full link in your Kicksnation profile panel under referral history. Awesome! I'm super excited. And it has the invoice. Perfect. All right, let's open the shoes. Okay, it's a nice bag. I'm excited. Okay. Yeah. Here we we have some Vans. They're leopard. I'm wearing them today. I'm so excited. Thank you again, Kicksnation, for, you know, picking me to try out this box and share it with people, because I'm sure other people will really want to try you out too. I would. I actually saw Sub Unbox. That's another YouTube channel. They did a Kicksnation. Ben and Sabrina, if you ever watch them, Sub Unbox. I really like them. Give a shout out. Here's the first pair. These are the Vans, like I said, in the cheetah print. Off the wall. I'm so excited. Like I said, I can't find my shoes anywhere. The bottoms are super nice. Oh, I don't have any. I've never had Vans before, so I'm excited. How many times am I going to say I'm excited in this video? Someone comment below and tell me how many times I say it. All right, second pair. Dun, 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 dun. We'll go over the prices at the end. Oh, look how cute. Those are adorable. It's almost like a crochet kind of pattern. This is the APL in that, what is it, blush? Beach / fusion pink. Super cute. I didn't expect the laces on there. That's adorable. Okay, so you can keep them like that, or, you know, they actually have like the laces. That's really cute. So depending on how you lace them, I wonder how you do that. But super cute. I like the texture. There's the bottoms. They are super light. They're super duper light. I feel like these would go with a lot of things. And then lastly are the high tops. I would, you know, assume. They're so cute. They'd actually kind of match with what I'm wearing today. I've never had high tops. Look! Those are adorable. Adorable. Look at that. I'm excited. I've never had high tops before. Look, oh. Look at. So cute. With the laces as well. I'm gonna have to learn the different ways to lace, because they have them like that with the laces on the inside. So I'll have to check that out. But there's the bottom. These are those Kariyumas. And what color was it? Blue. Classic Pantone Classic Blue. All size 7. All right. Yay. Okay. Let's try them on. Okay, here we have the first pair. They're super cute. So I tucked in the laces on this one, kind of just around the ankle area there. And then I tied it too. Let me move my camera a little bit. There we go. I tied it on this side though too, so you could see, you could kind of wear it either way. And I think they're adorable. Like I said before, I love the texture of them. They're super comfy. I like that they're just that muted color, like they said, so that you can wear it with anything. Kind of zoom in, not zoom in, zoom out. Zoom out. There we go. Yeah, so it looks cute with my little romper I have on today. I think it's adorable. They're super cute. All right, let's see the next ones. Those are my favorite because they're cheetah. They're leopard, cheetah print, animal print, whatever you want to call them. So these are obviously my multicolored ones. They're so comfortable. I just love slip-on shoes that you can just throw on and go. I love them. They're great. So cool. You can run in them. You can do all kinds of things. They feel great. They feel really good. That's just my legs. So, okay. Let's try on the last pair. Look at these! They're so cute. I love the blue. And I didn't even know, obviously, that they were sending me this blue pair, and I'm wearing this blue outfit today, and I'm kind of loving it. They also sent, inside the shoe, they sent blue shoelaces too. So if you want to go for like the monochromatic kind of look, you have different laces. So that's really cool. I like them. I like all of them. Honest opinion, super cute. I'm excited. Okay, let's go over the prices. All right, so Kicksnation, like I said, they gifted this box to me so that I could review it for them and share it with you guys. So thank you again so much for doing that. That being said, the high top shoes, the blue ones, the Cariuma OCA high top women's in our Pantone classic blue canvas in size 7, $98. The APL Techloom Phantom women's shoe in the beach/fusion pink size 7, $149.95. The Vans slip-on women's shoe in leopard size 7, $65.70, making the box total $313.65. Now, I don't believe there's any like discount on you keeping all three. Like I said as well, you don't get to apply that $15 towards what you decide to keep, because that does kind of, I think, cover shipping costs both ways. There goes my dog. But I was really impressed with the box. I personally don't spend a lot of money on my shoes. I more spend some of the money on my clothing. But I know a lot of people put a lot of value into their shoes because they are on your feet. They keep your feet comfortable. My dog's barking. The mail was just delivered, so that's why she was barking. Anyway, like I said, a lot of people, they put a lot of stock into their footwear, their sneakers, especially people who like work out and go to the gym and things like that. You need good shoes. So if you guys want to try this box out, like I said as well, I'll leave my link down below, or the referral code, whatever they give me, and that'll waive your $15 styling fee for your first box. Yeah. So you guys, I hope you like this new box. I was pretty excited about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. I do a lot of these, subscription box services. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks Kicksnation, and I'll see you guys next time.